What's up everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to complete the quest in the Blum application. For that the process is very simple. So make sure that you follow this video till the end to get to know every single detail about it, and you must need to know how to complete the quest in the Blum application. So first thing is go to the Earn section in the menu. Once you go to the Earn section, you will see a lot of missions and quests on the daily basis. For example, for you, AI quests, then exemplary quests. These are related ones. So these are the weeklies. Here you can see that earning for checking socials, new on-chain socials, then academy, then friends, and then farming. So here you can see that there are a lot of different sort of quests that you need to complete in order to complete claim these 20,000 Blum points, then 10,000 Blum points, then 5,000, and then 1,000. And in the friends section, you will see that invite 10 friends in order to complete to get 200 Blum points, invite 100 friends in order to get 10,000 Blum points. So in the list goes on, and you can do it by your own way. So for in Academy, here you can see that if I tap on it, it will redirect me to the YouTube. As you can see on the left hand side, there is a YouTube icon. So so in the YouTube icon, so all you have to do is to watch these videos. Simply just watch these videos. Once you watch this video, you will get 250 Blum points. So in the social menu, all you have to do is to backing from Binance Labs. This is one of their posts. All you have to do is to go like their post and do something about it, and you will get 111 BP points. So these are some ways to complete the quest. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye.